Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your taskbar transparent in Windows 11. So to do that, you just need to go to the Microsoft Store. To open the Microsoft Store, you need to search here for an app called Translucent TV. So you just need to search for Translucent TV and search it. Then here you would find this Translucent TV application. Don't worry, it's a free application, so you just need to click on it and download this application. So just click on install and it will start automatically downloading and installing your PC. To download the application, you just need to click on open and then just click continue. And as you can see, my taskbar is now as transparent. So that's it guys, this is how you can turn your taskbar into transparent. And if you want to change the settings here, so just go to this arrow and just click show hidden icons, and here you can find the translucent TV application. So just right click on it, then just go to desktop, and here you will find all the settings of this application. Then you can just choose normal, and as you can see, taskbar is now back to normal. So if you just change the settings, just go to this application desktop and just click clear, and the transparent settings back again. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.